I'm a cocoa nut, cocoa nut. My cocoa nut, cocoa.
I bought an IKEA desk lamp. Also bought a Maltese blind box. And by the way, it comes with 2 more light bulbs, also from IKEA. I was a little torn. Choose cold white or warm white. Standing on that shelf for a long time, I finally chose this warm white one. The size of the lamp in the video and the box don't seem to be big, but in fact, I think it still has some weight. The packaging is also very streamlined. As soon as you open it, how do you feel? The accessories are all displayed in front of you, but I don't know how to install them. There's a lampshade. It's stainless steel. To be honest, it comes up all of a sudden. The light stand at the back is a little confused because its arm is relatively long and I don't know how to install it. It's a little bit like the assembled mechanical toys that are soft everywhere. You don't know where it is, just tighten it a bit. I thought it was a screwdriver, but it's not. It's actually an accessory for this lamp. It's a very heavy pedestal that I'm holding in my hand. I had a little bit of trouble with one hand and I gave it a few jumps. This bracket doesn't even need tools. You just put it in and tighten the plug on the side. Maybe it's to make the lamp more flexible. Even if it's tightened, there is still room for shaking. In fact, the steps here are stupid. After installing the light bulb first, I found that the lampshade could not enter at all. The lampshade should be installed first and then the light bulb. I hope my friends don't make mistakes. Although the time is short, it is still the best to do it in one step. Open another blind box of a line puppy. There are many finished products on Sohongshu, and the price is beautiful and attractive. Please start one quickly. This is a food series. They are all cute. Wrap the puppy in various places with a variety of macaron, chocolates, marshmallows. Let's see what the first one will be. It's kind of cute. It's Apple's macaron series with wrapped puppies in it. I'm starting to wonder about the second one. It's the puppy holding the chocolate. Okay, the last one. Pinch and guess first. A gingerbread man in the Christmas spirit. This is a yellow-faced puppy. Finally, let the big dog head and 3 gourmet puppies line up for a photo. I haven't read a book for a long time. I open the paper book when I have time today. Also take notes. On all fairness, eyes will get tired. I don't know why. Just like when I was a student, it's easy to get sleepy when reading. Strange. A few more pages to get that hypnotic effect back. Go out to eat this particularly delicious Shenxi noodles. Noodles are knife-cut noodles, which are very muscular. After melting with this sauce, they are very tasty. Although it is sour, I think it is acceptable. After eating, I saw the flash mob of this mouse, and the flash mob of the crazy Zootopia some time ago was in a long queue. There are many small pendants. Cowboy series of mice. This is a bit like a detective. The miniature scene here is amazing. I zoom in to see that it has Waking Rat Tea written on it. Sit in the office. It's also interesting to look at from a distance. You can consider installing one of these at home. The employee number 666 here is dead, which is really in line with the state of migrant workers. The atmosphere of the Chinese New Year is good. In view, the cute puppy just opened. This blind box speculator placed another passionate order before going home. Don't say much, just open it. Ops, slipped. Why do you feel like a star? This is a bit like the one I drove last time. The last one was caught in a macaron again. Sit in rows again, cuties.